Sometimes I forget how weird my life is until I'm sitting around at 4 in the morning painting 3D printed vegetable markers. This is something I've been wanting to do for a while now, and I just now finally got around to it. I thought it would be kind of fun to have these little 3D representations of the vegetables that we're going to plant in our garden. They'll mostly be useful for seed starting, like when only the seed leaves are present. They should transfer pretty nicely outside in the garden when we finally transplant. They're a pretty basic design, but I'm not really too much of an artist, so I figured it was best to stay pretty basic and not try to overdo it too much. I ended up using a free 3D modeling program and a beginner level 3D printer I have, and just went for it. I also opted to leave the backs blank in case we decide to write down the specific varieties of the vegetables on them. The rest of the video is just a quick overview of how I painted the markers and the final product, so feel free to stick around and check it out. And subscribe if you'd like. I'll have new updates probably every couple of weeks or so, just until the actual gardening season starts up again. I started off just by taping the bottom little sticks because I didn't want to get paint all over them. And then I used, some old modeling paints I had back when I used to paint like Warhammer miniatures and things like that. So yeah, enjoy watching me paint a plastic potato accompanied by some music I made. Thanks.